Hi, I'm Meredith and I'm with Coastal Business Supplies, and we're going to show you our FRP luggage tag right after this. Okay, we are going to show you our FRP luggage tag. Of course, you can use this the traditional way by putting, different sports logos or your address or whatnot and putting it on your suitcase, but we're going to do something a little bit different today. So we are going to make a birthday banner. So we did our design in Photoshop and printed using our F570. And what we did was we ganged up all of our images so we could utilize the most out of the paper. So here we go. We have our print, and I'm going to go ahead and tape this on here with our thermal tape. So we're going to press this at 385 for 45 seconds. First, we're going to put down our silicone just to protect our heating pad. And we're going to lay this face down. And we're at about a medium pressure. We are going to remove the paper immediately and the tape. And there's one side. Now, of course, you can do this double-sided as well. Okay, once it cools off, you can also do the second side. So we're just going to do the same exact thing. Tape it on there. And we're going to replace the silicone just so we don't transfer that ink that was on there onto our substrate. Face down once again, and an additional 45 seconds. Again, we're going to want to move this in immediately. And there's one personalized luggage tag. Now for the fun part, we're going to add this in. So here we have one completed birthday banner. Make sure to check out our templates online along with all of our pressing instructions, and like and subscribe. Thanks.